So I took the One Funnel Away challenge a few months ago, and I wanted to give you my honest review. My goal here is to show you what will be covered in each week, and also show you all of the bonuses you'll get, and also at the end, let you know if this is a challenge that you should be taking or not. Because this challenge isn't for everyone, so I want to make sure you know what you are getting. Okay, so I was able to create this really cool looking lead funnel, or squeeze page as they call it. It's a two-step funnel. Now, if you want free access to this funnel where you can download it and use it yourself, just click the link in my description. I think it looks really cool. It looks great on mobile as well. So this is the One Funnel Away challenge sign up page. So when you put in your email, you have two options here. So the first option is to get the new One Funnel Away challenge for free. You do get all of these bonuses, and you also get ClickFunnels for free for 1 month. Now you also have option number 2, where you pay $100 to get all of these bonuses, but you don't have the free access to ClickFunnels. So if it were me, I would get this option number 1 because it is completely free. And if you don't want to continue with ClickFunnels, that's okay. You can just simply cancel it. And this challenge is very heavily going to be using the tool. You actually kind of need ClickFunnels to properly go through the challenge. So that's one caveat to this. This is the backend, okay? So this is, they call it a 30-day challenge, but it's actually more than that. It's a total of 5 weeks. There is pre-week. Russell goes through a ClickFunnels walkthrough. He shows you the basics of the tool. And day 3 is pretty cool because he teaches you how to build a link in bio funnel. So something similar to Linktree. So within the first 3 days, you kind of already have a funnel built. So this challenge goes really, really fast. Now on the first week, the official week number 1, it's all about building your list. So essentially building an email list that you can add to your email autoresponder to start promoting your products and helping your audience out. Now this is the week where I was able to build out this lead magnet, okay, this lead funnel. So on day number 10 is all about building out the squeeze page, which this essentially is considered a squeeze page. And on day 11, Russell teaches you how to build the thank you page, and then also how to build a follow-up funnel, which is the email sequences. And on week number 2, it's all about creating your offer. So the product that you will be selling to make a profit off of. Now, I think week number 2 was my favorite week. On day 15, Russell teaches you how to create your offer. Now, this video is actually a video that was recorded a few years back. That was when they were running the old One Funnel Away challenge. I took that challenge back then and it was valuable. I only spent $100 on that previous challenge and it was well worth it. So you will be watching one of those videos. And aside from day 15, they'll teach you how to build your membership site customer center. So where your courses will be, all of your products will be. They'll teach you how to create a sales page, how to build your sales message, how to build an order form, and so on. So as you can see, the theme here is to really put you on the right track to use ClickFunnels in the most efficient way possible to teach you ClickFunnels to truly launch your first funnel and really launch your business and start collecting those leads and selling your products. Now on week number 3, it's all about launching your funnel. Now this week goes a little bit more nitty gritty. So they teach you how to create an order form bump, create an upsell page, and so on, including testing your funnel and more about emailing your list. So week number 3 kind of wraps everything up to make sure you have a working funnel. And then week number 4 is all about filling your funnel. Now this is a short week. Russell shares a few videos from successful entrepreneurs on how to drive traffic. So they'll teach you how to drive traffic via shorts, ads, and also via influencers. So a more light week for the last and final week. And for the bonuses, you get some pretty good bonuses. So aside from the 1 free month of ClickFunnels, you get access to the Guru Funnel Simulator, which basically looks like this. So you can simulate an entire sales funnel and see like how much monthly revenue you're going to be getting. So you can set up all of your traffic sources, all of your expenses, what the CPA is, the average order value, your return, your revenue, and your profit. And you can essentially drag any of these elements here to really plan out your sales funnel to make sure you are actually getting a return from the funnels that you build. So a very powerful tool. And then the other bonus is the Pikes tool, which looks like this. And you can essentially create all types of e-covers, mock-ups of bags, binders, books. So if you are selling a book, you can use this tool to create a mock-up of that book. So there's also boxes, brochures, gadgets, magazines, screens, stationery. So you can create all types of digital assets and showcase it really nicely. And then the next one is Courserate. So this one is more of a research tool where you can research all different types of industry and niches to help you decide on what types of courses you should be creating and selling through your funnel. And then lastly, they give you access to this email copy generator, which allows you to create an awesome 6 email sequence to warm up any list for any purpose based on the sequence created by Yara Golden. So there are a couple of videos for you to watch, and you can essentially fill out this form and the tool will spit out 6 emails that you can use for your email autoresponder. So should you enroll in this challenge? I think you should enroll in this challenge if you want to know how to use ClickFunnels to its fullest. Now, one thing I forgot to mention was that when you are on the order page, you can also select this order bump, which is an upgrade to VIP for only $100. So if you are that person who needs extra handholding, if you want someone to kind of show you step by step how to use the tool, if you have any specific questions, you can ask their support staff and they can help you out. So this challenge is excellent for those people who really want to truly get a handle of ClickFunnels and actually use the tool to start their business, grow their business, and start selling online. But I probably wouldn't take it if you already have funnels that are already working and you kind of know what you are doing. But if you are in that bucket, it still can be beneficial to still watch a lot of these videos, especially the Belief and Prep, where Russell Brunson kind of just talks you through like the mindset that you need to run a successful business. So even if you have a successful funnel already, this one funnel away challenge might be beneficial. You might still get some golden nuggets here and there, but I think this challenge is excellent for the people who haven't really used ClickFunnels before, but they want to learn how to use it and truly launch their business. Now, again, if you want access, free access to this share funnel, it's completely free. I built this myself. It works great on mobile as well. You can use this to offer any free lead magnets to collect emails for your email list. Click the link in the description and I'll share this share funnel with you completely free. So hopefully you thought this video was helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out any of the videos on this screen. And with that said, I will see you in the next one.